Have you ever wondered how to get rid of those unwanted creatures in your children's sandpits? Well, look no further. Kidi Kingdom Child Care has a solution for you. Simply purchase some ground cinnamon using a watering can with 1 litre of water. Add 4 tablespoons of ground cinnamon to the water. Gently rake over the first layer of sand and use the watering can with your ground cinnamon over the top of the sand. Once you have completed the entire process across the top layer of sand, you will then need to turn the sand and complete this process again. The cinnamon will absorb into the sand, and any of those unwanted little creatures, insects, bugs, will run for the hills. Once this has been completed, you will need to use your watering can with the remaining cinnamon, and you'll need to water the perimeter. This will make sure that none of the unwanted little creatures and bugs return to the sand. Thank you for listening to our production.